guys, and welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. Today, guys, got another episode of Prime Tech coming at you. We got the Logitech HD laptop webcam. I got a suggestion from a subscriber to recommend a good webcam for you guys, and this one is Amazon's choice for a webcam between 25 and 50 bucks. I don't think you should be spending over $50 on a webcam. I don't think it's worth it. And 720p is usually okay, and I usually recommend that for starting out YouTubers who can just use like their 720p HD webcam, but usually webcams are complete garbage. So I'm going to recommend this one for you guys because it's a separate external webcam you can attach to your monitor, computer, laptop, whatever you want. And the good thing about this, it's got 1080p. 1080p is going to be really sharp. Can't beat that. I'm gonna make this video really short for you guys. This is a good webcam. It's got good reviews. It can shoot 1080p. For some reason it says video chat in 720p, but I don't know how many I don't know why it's only capping at 720p for video calling, but honestly I don't think that really matters. If you're a video chatter online, maybe don't get this, but I think if you want a webcam for live streaming or recording tutorials on your computer, need a face cam or whatever, go pick this one up because it's really inexpensive, only 35 bucks on Amazon when most go for well over $60. And this can do 1080p. So, and Logitech's a great brand. They've been proven to be a great brand in the past, and I really have no complaints with this. It's 360-degree rotational camera, so if you want to rotate it, I don't know if you want to show something else, you can do that as well. But yeah, 1080p does great. Built-in microphone, which is nice. Yeah, it's compatible with literally everything: Mac, Windows, Chrome OS, Android, whatever you want. I'm gonna leave a link down to this in the description. Go check it out, guys. It's been Life Made Easy. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, leave a like, help promote it, share it with your friends, do all that good stuff. Merch linked below if you guys want to go check out some Life Made Easy merchandise. Got a ton of that stuff. Go check out my second channel, Gaming Made Easy, if you want to watch live streaming gaming content over there, because I strictly do technology on this channel. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Leave your video suggestions down in the comments down below on what future tech you want me to promote on Amazon. Best deals out there. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.